Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Pink color, parrot color, red color, yellow color, blue color, purple color, green color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color the dog. So what sound does a dog make? A dog says, how many dogs can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 dogs.